Day 14, Blockchain Bob here, 100 days deep inside a medtech startup. And I have to confess, my email challenge has lapsed a bit today. The problem being you have a growing anxiety when you're expecting emails. And so the temptation to check it outside of those 3 set times is certainly a challenge. So look, hopefully we'll go better with that tomorrow. I will hopefully be able to share with you soon as to what is happening with the delay in the blogs, but there is certainly a reason there. Now, I just wanted to just show this app that I'm using called Toggl Time Tracking. I think time tracking has got a lot of value. Even if you're a sole founder working away, I think it's important to document your hours. And so I just wanted to show you what I do here. So I actually track everything, and it goes into one of these categories here. So it can either be, if I look under projects, either one of these, and so I color code it then. So it's either into something to do with our pitch, our operations, personal client, or profile, and each of them has a color, so you can sort of see in a dashboard format how many hours you're doing each day, and then for a week, and then the whether it's a green is a good category, i.e. pitch. Orange is operations, which could we do something that perhaps is not that important, and then red is something we should be stopping to do because it's a very low value activity. I think blue's personal, and grey is not yet coded. And so I just do that each day, just tick that on, and then just vaguely the tasks that I'm doing get put into those categories, and then it gives you a bit of a dashboard about how you're going. A lot of people think I'm crazy, but I think that as we get busier, it'll become more and more important to know where we're spending our time. So that's all for day 14. Spoke to a new chap potentially coming on as our CTO for equity only. That's pretty exciting. We'll hopefully progress that to our second meeting next week. And more fundraising meetings and continuing on. Check in tomorrow for day 15.